Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check does your Motorola Moto G86 Power support eSIM. Okay, so let's begin. In here, in this bar, we need to type the IMEI number of our Motorola. If you don't know how to find it, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you how to do it. And in here also you have a quick instruction how you can do it. Now, once you have typed the IMEI number, click on Check IMEI. As you can see, our Motorola appeared. Now we need to scroll down into the bottom until we find the basic checks. And the second option from the top is the eSIM compatibility check. Simply click on that. Now click on Check eSIM compatibility. And now we have our result that our device does not support eSIM. We can only insert the physical SIM card. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.